we are going to Disneyland. We're taking little Tessa to Disneyland today. We're so excited. She is currently napping. She woke up at 5 a.m. today. So we all got up at 5 a.m. She went down for her nap around 7:30. So anyways, as soon as she gets up, we're gonna head out. But let me just show you my outfit really fast.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay.
Both Shifeng and I have shirts that say Princess Security. Just very easy. And Tessa's onesie says Disney Princess. I believe that's what it says. So she'll be the Disney Princess, and then we're both Princess Security, and I have ears. Tessa has ears as well, and Shifeng's not about ears, so he's not gonna wear any, but we're super excited. We just made it to Disneyland parking, and we decided to get the preferred parking this time. It's a little bit more expensive. It's 50 bucks. I know, it's insane. 50 bucks for parking, and I think it's like 30 or 35 for regular, but with the little one, we just need to be able to get out of the park, have a quick access to our car immediately because we'll be tired and everything like that. So sometimes it's okay to pay a little bit more if you've got the funds for it. Felt like VIP, just zooming right past all the people.
Made it.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
4 hours. 4 hours.
Yeah, she came in and like, they didn't leave. She stayed with me.
We are at the Hungry Bear restaurant. I did a mobile order of bear lemonade, barbecue chicken salad, got Shifeng a cheeseburger and fries. She's eating home-cooked food. And then I also got beignets. I got beignets in here. Yeah.
Can you get me my water before you sit down? My water. Nom, nom.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut.
Halfway through our Disneyland trip, we had to put Tessa down for her afternoon nap, and so we went to the Main Street Cinema, which it is quite dark on the inside. I mean, there is some light that still comes through, but it's definitely a lot dimmer than being outside in the full sun. So if you need a spot for your little one to take a nap, this is a really good option to consider.
I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. What you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to